Hello, my name is Lisa and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be describing a collaboration that I'm going to be taking part of during the month of October. It is called OctHygge 2023. So kind of channel your inner Swedish chef when you say OctHygge 2023. Basically, hygge, from what I understand, is a feeling of comfort, coziness. It's a Swedish Nordic kind of term, which fall, October is a great time to get cozy and comfy. So it's a great time to have a collab where you get your OctHygge on. So this is the collab that I'm going to be working on. It is going to be a reading themed journal with hints of fall, definitely a vintagey kind of look. Definitely cozy, some great stuff that we're going to be using for the collaboration. So I have, let me grab the printouts of the kits I will be using from. The first one is a kit called Time to Read from Creative Paper Artisan. Karen's, it's at Karen's Etsy shop. All the links will be down in the description also, so you don't have to write these down, but they will be, excuse me, they'll be available in my description. So let me get this other one out of the way here. Let me dig a quick flip through. I have not printed everything that's in this kit. I've printed items that I feel like I'm going to be using for the journal that I will be making. So this is not everything that is in the kit. It is a huge kit for sure. So go ahead and flip this through. As you can see, just lovely soft colors, pretty florals, book reading. I have double printed it so that when I go to put them in my journals, I will have them. So that is the page that's available. Some books in green, some more lovely window with the fall. Some more books, clocks. I love the color blues. They're great. So got a blue page on the back. This is just beautiful. So soft, so inviting, so cozy. Yep. And then I just printed a tea dye in the back. Like I said, there's definitely more pages than that. So I printed, there is pages of some fussy cuts that I'll be able to use. Some like ATC size cards that you can use some tags in, add them to pockets, things like that. A couple pockets, bigger and smaller ones with postcards and little index journaling cards to tuck inside of there. Here are some pockets, some kind of belly bands, corner tucks, paperclip embellishments, instructions on how to do them. I forgot to print this on thicker paper. I'll have to go back if I use them and print them on thicker paper. So a little bit harder to do, but yeah. And then some beautiful tags, multiple sizes, big, small, medium, to fit in places with the graphics on there. So that one is from Karen, from Creative Paper Artisan. And the second kit that I'll be using in our collab is from Stacy at Stacy at Crafty Dragon Creations. Again, link will be in the description. Her kit is called Let's Hygge. I'm not sure why it's printed this way, but it did. Again, it is a huge kit, but I only printed ones that I thought I could be able to use. This I thought might be a great front page because of the Red Fairy book. Nice warm things. Again, printed on the pages in the back. Some things that I could use. I did a tea dye there. I love these yellow colors and flowers. This was from her kit. It's a journal ledger with some books in the back. Books and a desk here. Okay, my finger will not work. And I thought that was cool with the shadowing of the books. Nice cozy reading nook. Great writing space on that one. Another that I might use for a center page. Haven't quite decided yet. Like I said, I printed a little bit from each kit, and I'm going to decide what to put into the actual journal when I do it. some lined paper for the back. Here's the fussy cuts for this kit. Cute stuff. I might put that, I still have to think of what I'd like to put as a focal point on the journal cover. So that might be something. And these I thought were fun. Look like those little Instamatics. What were they called? It'll come to me. Had them as a kid. But I thought those were cute. The whale tail kind of tabs to cut out. Sayings, corner round things, clocks, and tickets, and washi strips to edge your papers, and some more tags. These tags come with little pockets that you'll be able to put on a page and stick them in, and some more tags and some more pockets. So some fun stuff to work with. I can't wait to get these going. I think the hardest part for me is going to figure out which ones to actually use in them, but they definitely can be mixed and matched for them. So I definitely like them. They are currently on sale starting today, September 24th, for 30% off in both of the stores. They will be on sale through the end of October. So if you'd like to participate and make journals along with us, and you'd like to get these kits, take a look for them. Like I said, they'll be on sale, 30% off. So what we are going to be doing for this collab is we are going to have 4 weeks of videos. There are 8 of us doing the collaboration. So the first week there is going to be 8 videos for, we're going to be making our journal covers. So there'll be 8 different ideas for that. Week 2, 8 different ideas for to do the signatures. Hopefully by then I'll figure out which pages to use. Week 3 is going to be 8 ideas for embellishments, using not only the ones that are within the kit, but maybe creating some on our own. And then week 4 is going to be the 8 videos for how we're binding it and completing, finishing up the journal. There is going to be some freebies along the way also. There is 4 different Facebook groups that you can join. Karin from the Creative Paper and Stacy from Crafty Dragon, the 2 kits, they have scrapbook pages, but then also 2 more of the YouTubers from Santhini-Sannie Creates and Magpie Printables are going to have freebies in their group. So you need to join those 4 groups if you'd like to get freebies. And at the end of everything, I'm going to explain how you enter to win. There's some fabulous prizes at the end. I'm going to be giving away the journal I create, and I know a lot of the other YouTubers are going to be doing the same thing. Some are giving away free kits from their shops. Random acts of kindness would be going out. Lots of different prizes at the end for that. So basically it is a way to help a group of us YouTubers, not huge ones, that would like to show us, like to show you what we can do. So hopefully you're going to be able to take a look in the description and for the links for all of our YouTubers, and subscribe to their channels so you can get some great ideas from some new people and some great prizes in the end. So what's next? This is the lineup of what we're going to do. Like I said, week 1 covers, 2 signatures, embellishments, and then binding. So the first day of the week, which is a Sunday, is Stacy and Karin, the 2 hosting. We'll both put a video up. On Monday, Anna with Claudia's Crafting and Val with Val's Crate will do their video for covers. On Tuesday, Samantha with Magpie Printables and me will be doing our version of covers. And then on Thursday, Santhi with Sannie Creates and Vanessa with Clemons Crafts will be doing their videos and so forth. So there'll be 2 videos Sunday through Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday through Wednesday. There'll be 2 videos each. And then Thursday through Saturday, that's when you can post all your creations using the hashtag OctHygge 2023 to show us what you're doing and what inspiration you're getting from these kits and from some of our YouTube girls. So the next thing is the rules for how we're going to hand out the prizes. Okay, So for each of the channels of the collaborators, the 8 of them, you subscribe to their channel, like the collaboration video that's posted, the 2 each day, and then you're going to comment in each video answering the question that the collaborator are going to ask. We're all going to ask simple questions like, what's your favorite season? What's your favorite holiday? What kind of, flowers do you like? Real simple questions, but just to know that you are watching the video and paying attention with the comments you make, answers that question, you will have a entry into the giveaways at the end of October for all those wonderful journals and free digital kits and all those other fun things we're giving away. So for extra points and to get your names in the drawings again, if you post your finished journal pics with the hashtag OctHygge 2023 by the end of October to either Facebook group of the Crafty Dragon Creations or Creative Paper Artisans, or both if you'd like, then you will get extra entries into the drawing. So again, this is just a way to help some of these small crafters and YouTubers grow. So if they have other platforms like Instagram or Facebook or their Etsy store, and you'd like to send them some love and subscribe or like their channels, that would be greatly appreciated. There's no extra entries into the giveaways, but it's just another cozy, warm feeling of helping out some people. As they say, small businesses, which we pretty much all are. A lot of us have our own Etsy stores, just to spread the love for everybody. So that is how you're going to go ahead and enter them in there. So don't forget to post any pics, any YouTube videos, to use that hashtag OctHygge 2023, so we can all ooh and ah over your wonderful creations for that. So, all right, so that is pretty much what we're going to be doing for the next four and a half weeks, since this is not quite here yet. So in about a week, you're going to start seeing the first videos pop up. Again, all the links are going to be in the description for you to follow along with all of us, and I hope to see you there. I think it's going to be really fun to do, and I think it's going to be a really fun journal in the end to create. So that is going to be it for me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and as usual, thanks so much for stopping by.